I am Kanika Pathania, student of BSc Non-Medical Semester 5 from Kanya Mahavidyalaya, Jalandhar. Today I am going to discuss about my work on optical and physical characterization of erbium doped zinc borotelluride glasses for photonic applications. We have prepared erbium doped zinc borotelluride glasses by varying the rare earth, in my case erbium concentration, by melt quenching technique. The optical and the physical properties of the prepared samples are studied with the aid of UV visible and Archimedes principle. For the present study, we have chosen telluride as glass former because telluride glasses have some distinctive physical and optical properties over fluoride and phosphate glasses, like high solubility for rare earthine, low melting temperature, high refractive index, high dielectric constant, excellent transparency in visible and infrared region, good mechanical and chemical strength, low phonon energy, high thermal stability, and also they are less radiative. Borate is also added in the present system owing to its excellent glass forming ability. Zinc oxide is added to lower the melting point and improve the rare earthine solubility. With the addition of dopants like rare earthine, there is increase in the luminescence properties and full width half maxima also broadened. Therefore, rare earthine doped glasses can be used in fiber amplifiers. We prepared the glasses with melt quenching technique. The samples were melted at 750 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes and then annealed at 250 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. Now I'll come to the results. We studied the density of the prepared sample with the help of Archimedes principle with ethanol as the immersion liquid. We found that the density decreased with increasing the concentration of erbium ion. This is because of the fact that the coordination number of telluride and boron atom changes on the addition of erbium ion. This in turn break the continuous chain of telluride network, and telluride units are converted into tellurium trioxide units, which further lead to the formation of non-bridging oxygens, due to which volume increases and hence the density decreased. The optical properties were studied using UV visible spectroscopy. The spectra shows the absorption peaks due to electronic transitions of erbium ion corresponding to I15 by 2 to 4H11 by 2, 4F7 by 2, and 4F9 by 2 respectively. The peak position was found to be independent of the increase in the rare earth concentration, whereas the gradual increase in the absorption intensity is observed with increase in the rare earth concentration. There are changes in the optical band gaps also. With increase in the rare earth concentration, that is erbium ion concentration, the direct and the indirect band gap decreased. Urbeck energy also decreased with increase in the concentration of erbium ion. These values are shown here in the table. This may be due to the fact that addition of rare earth ion results in the breakage of tellurium oxygen tellurium and boron oxygen boron linkages, which result in the conversion of telluride to tellurium trioxide units and borate units, due to which there is formation of non-bridging oxygens. The non-bridging oxygens bind electrons less tightly than bridging oxygens and are more polarizable. Due to this, band gap decreased. In this way, I can conclude that we have prepared erbium doped zinc borotelluride glasses by melt quenching technique. The optical and the physical properties of the prepared glasses were studied. To see the effect of increasing rare earth concentration on the same, it was found that the position of the absorption peaks were independent of the rare earth concentration. Density was also found to decrease with increase in the concentration of erbium ion. The band gap decreased with increase in the concentration of erbium ion. Due to this, the refractive index increased. So that is why we can say that the erbium doped zinc borotelluride glasses find their application in photonic devices and image sensors. This is all about my work. Thank you for listening to me.